Sa video natin ngayon, i-breakdown namin kung paano gamitin ang Grasshopper Bank para sa online business banking. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley at kung nagsisimula ka pa lang ng business o lilipat ka mula sa traditional bank papunta sa mas modern na option, sobrang hirap talaga minsan alamin kung saan ka dapat magsimula. Karamihan ng business accounts parang ginawa talaga para sa malalaking companies, hindi para sa mga solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, o small teams na gusto lang makapag-umpisa agad. Grasshopper is one of the newest names in the digital banking world and it's built specifically for businesses that operate mostly online. So kung kakasimula mo pa lang mag-set up ng LLC o you're running a growing digital brand and need better tools, i-guide ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang Grasshopper. So una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang Grasshopper and para kanino siya? Ang Grasshopper Bank ay isang fully digital FDIC insured bank that offers business, checking and savings account designed for small businesses, solo entrepreneurs, and digital first entrepreneurs. Walang physical branches at lahat mula sa pag-open ng account hanggang sa pag-transfer ng funds ay ginawa completely online. At ang nagpapa-standout sa Grasshopper is that it's not trying to be a jack of all trades. It's specifically tailored for lean, modern businesses. Para sa mga freelancers, agencies, coaches, online store owners, anyone who doesn't need to walk into a bank branch, get support. It's really simple, it's efficient, and it's built to support the way digital-first businesses operate today. Step 1. Kung paano mag-open ng Grasshopper business account. Para makapagsimula, i-click mo yung exclusive link namin sa description. Once you get there, you'll click Get Started. From here, you can select what you would like to open. So you can open a small business checking, startup checking, small business savings, startup savings, pati SBA lending and venture capital at private equity. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-click mo yung small business checking. The entire application process is online and usually takes less than 10 minutes. Kailangan mong ilagay yung business information mo tulad ng business name, structure, and employer identification numbers or EIN. If you're a solo entrepreneur, you can just use your social security number instead. But for LLCs or corporations, make sure you have that EIN ready before starting. Pag nasubmit mo na yung application mo, i-review na siya ng Grasshopper at kadalasan mabilis lang din sila magbigay ng sagot. Ako nakuha ko yung email ko after mga 10 to 15 minutes lang, so sobrang bilis talaga. There's no hard credit pull involved, which means your personal credit score won't be affected after approval. Kailangan mo lang mag-deposit ng minimum of $100 para ma-activate ang account mo. Ito lang yung required na deposit. Wala nang ongoing minimum balance and no monthly fees. After nun, step number 2 na tayo, getting paid at pag-receive ng transfers. Kapag open na yung account mo, ready ka na agad tumanggap ng payments, so you'll be issued a routing number and account number that work just like any other bank. Pwede mo gamitin yun para tumanggap ng ACH transfers, i-connect ang payment platforms tulad ng Stripe or PayPal, mag-set up ng direct deposits from clients, vendors, or business marketplace. One of these standout features is that incoming ACH transfers and domestic wire transfers ay completely free. Ibig sabihin kapag nagbabayad yung clients mo o nag-deposit yung mga platforms tulad ng Shopify ng sales mo, buo mong makukuha yung amount. Walang hidden fees eating into your revenue. Nag-integrate din ang Grasshopper sa mga platforms like QuickBooks and Autobooks, kaya sobrang daling i-automate ng bookkeeping and invoicing mo. And if you prefer to handle invoices inside your bank, Grasshopper's built-in invoicing tool lets you create, send, and mag-track ng payments nang hindi na kailangan ng third-party service. Kapag nagbayad ng client mo, the funds go directly into your checking account. Malinis and simple lang. Step number 3, paggawa ng payments at pag-manage ng expenses. Grasshopper provides a business debit card linked directly to your checking account. Pwede mong gamitin yung card na to store or i-add sa digital wallet mo tulad ng Apple Pay o Google Pay para sa mobile transactions. Isa talaga siyang legit na debit card na gumagana lang tulad ng nakasanayan mo pero may mga added benefits pa. Isa na doon yung 1% cashback sa mga eligible debit purchases as long as na-maintain mo yung $10,000 na average daily balance. Ibig sabihin kung gagamitin mo yung business card para sa tools, subscriptions, so paid ads, little money back without doing anything extra. Supported din ng Grasshopper ang bill pay, ACH transfers, wire payments, diretso mismo sa dashboard mo. Domestic wire costs $10, international wires cost $25, and incoming international wires have small $5 fee. For most businesses, ACH transfers and debit card payments will cover nearly everything and those are included for free. Konti pang steps until I actually get into the walkthrough and show you the platform. Step number 4 naman ay earning interest sa balance mo. Isa to sa mga bagay na hindi mo madalas makita sa business checking account, which is interest. Grasshopper's Innovator Business Checking Account earns interest on your cash balance, which is very rare. If you're holding less than $25,000 in your account, you'll earn 1% APY. If your balance sits between $25,000 and $250,000, you'll earn 1.8% APY, and then anything above that 250K drops back to 1%. Dahil sa tiered system na to, hindi lang basta nakatambay yung pera mo. Gumagana siya para sa'yo for businesses that keep a cushion for taxes, emergency funds, or future expenses. Earning interest passively on that money is just a nice bonus. Number 5 naman ay yung paggamit ng business savings account. Nag-offer din ng Grasshopper ng business savings account na may mas mataas pang interest rates, umaabot hanggang 3.5% para sa balances na over $25,000. This account is structured more like a money market, giving you high yield growth without locking your money into a CD or requiring a separate investment platform. Katulad ng checking account, yung savings account ay wala ring monthly fees at madali lang maglipat ng pera between accounts direkta sa dashboard or app. If you're serious about keeping your business financially healthy, this is a really smart way to build a tax reserve, a rainy day fund, or simply earn more from your excess cash. Number 6 naman ay yung pag-track at pag-organize ng finances mo. Dito talaga nakakatulong ang Grasshopper para mabawasan ng stress. Inside the dashboard, you'll find an overview of your business balances, transactions, invoice statuses, and payment history na papakita ko rin kung saan makikita in a bit. Maayos at malinis na layout with minimal interface and no clutter or confusing navigation. At gaya na nabanggit ko kanina, kung gumagamit ka ng accounting tools tulad ng QuickBooks, pwede mong isync yung Grasshopper account mo automatically gamit ang Plaid. That means less manual entry, fewer errors, and more time to focus on growing your business. Okay, so once na nakalogin ka na, makikita mo na yung dashboard, accounts, transfers, documents, support, at iba pang tools. So this is also where your checking account and account numbers will be. So as you can see, they've got a little welcome to Grasshopper setup experience. Pwede ka mag-add ng team members, mag-download ng app, mag-setup ng multi-factor authentication, at mag-link ng external accounts kung gusto mo mag-transfer. All you have to do is click transfer funds, and you just click right here to send or receive funds from your own internal or external accounts. All accounts must be in your name and or business name. Kung gusto mo makita yung mga accounts mo, i-click mo lang yun at lalabas na silang lahat. Again, if you want to transfer, you can also come up here. If you want to look at any documents, dito mo rin sila mahanap. You can also come in here for support. May secure messaging, email, and phone number sila na sobrang nice talaga. Tapos meron din silang maraming frequently asked questions. Kung gusto mong mag-order ng checks, mag-deposit ng cash o checks, mag-manage ng debit cards, external accounts, at iba pa, then they've got some other tools here. So they got trends, you can see your net worth, budget, spending history, debts, at mga accounts mo na sobrang cool talaga. Meron din silang tinatawag na dual approval. So this is when you have multiple users in here, you can set up an approval process, which is also really cool. Pwede ka rin mag-set up ng time alerts, workflows, at partner card management. So what I really like about it is how easy and clear the UI is. It's really easy to use and really straightforward. Walang hulaan kung nasaan ang bawat tool na kailangan mo. Kitang-kita at maayos talaga yung layout. So again, kung gusto mo silang i-check out, nilagay ko yung link sa description sa baba. Pwede kang mag-sign up. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to get approved, and then I was in. May ilang bagay lang na kailangan mong malaman bago ka talaga mag-jump in. So Grasshopper does not support cash deposits. If your business regularly accepts cash, kailanganin mo ng second account sa ibang bank para ma-handle yan. You also can't write physical checks through Grasshopper. Payments are all digital via ACH, wires, or debit card. Customer services available Monday through Friday during business hours, kaya kung may issue ka over the weekend, kailangan mo maghintay until Monday morning para sa support. Hindi naman siya deal breaker, pero magandang malaman mo talaga. And lastly, wala ring overdraft protection, pero wala rin naman overdraft fees. Kapag may payment na nag-try pumasok and your balance is too low, the transaction will just be declined. So, bagay ba ang Grasshopper para sa business mo? Kung nagre-run ka ng digital first business at gusto mo ng banking experience na talagang ginawa for you, definitely worth it ang Grasshopper. There are no monthly fees, cashback, high yield interest, incoming transfers, and built-in invoicing, which makes this a very powerful option for solo entrepreneurs, consultants, agencies, and online brands. Kung ang business mo ay nakarely sa in-person banking, humahawak ng cash, o nangangailangan ng maraming international wires, baka kailangan mo ng supplementary bank. But for most lean and growing businesses, Grasshopper really simplifies banking and save you so much time. Mabilis lang siya i-open, simple gamitin, at flexible enough para sabayan ang paglaki ng business mo. As a personal side note, I know how frustrating it can be to find a bank that actually understands the way you run your business, between outdated tools and endless fees. Hindi na talaga sapat ang traditional banks ngayon. Grasshopper is such a refreshing change. So if Grasshopper sounds like a good fit, yung link nasa baba lang below, and that will bring you to the most up-to-date na details, kaya siguraduhin mong basahin siya kahit kailan mo papanoorin to. Gusto ko lang din na i-note na affiliate links to, ibig sabihin kumikita kami ng maliit na commission commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. So if you do choose to use our links, we want to thank you so much in advance for your support. And that wraps up this video. This channel is here to help solo entrepreneurs, creators, and small business owners na makahanap ng mga tools na nagpapadali sa buhay nyo. So kung nakatulong sa yung video na to, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe sa channel, at mag-iwan ng kahit anong comments or questions sa baba. We'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.